Go on, Rasta fam. I go and teach Rasta baby how to find the juiciest coconut from the tree. Little man buzzing. I can't lie. My youth eye up in the leaves while the leaves get me eye. Better not fall because I can't deal with their mother. She not play. Me boomba. This picnic youth drop like one ripe coconut. Everything here, my youth?
Bomba clat.
You hear that? My youth just say boomba clot. 100% certified Rastamonkey DNA, you see me? Rasta baby done fly out the tree, but nothing a little hydration for the nation scientifics. I pray in a lose him sense for it is head top. Real general. King of the jungle.
Rasta baby!
Your mother done find us. Put it out or she a go smoke both of it.